Hello, it's Crafty Ria, and I am so glad you are joining me today for this unboxing. This package is from Craftspire, and they reached out to me and asked me if I would make some videos for them. I was able to go on their website and choose some items, and in return for that, I'm doing 3 videos. One unboxing video, which is this one, and then 2 project tutorial videos. I have a couple other videos from them featuring their products. So if you want to go back through my other videos and check them out, please feel free to do so. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you what I ordered. Their company specializes in sealing wax and the little stamps that you make the pretty designs with. So I ordered this stamp. This is the Cherry Blossom set. So we have this wax stamp in a cherry blossom pattern. And it comes with the wax pieces that you melt and all of these pretty pink. They are such a shimmery pink. And it also comes with, that's a pretty good size bag. It comes with 3 little candles for melting them and a little ladle where you put some of these in. You heat it up over the candle. You pour it out and you press this on it. I have a video that shows that in detail, and I will link that below if I remember. If I don't remember, just tell me. So this is a really cool set. This whole set comes together as one set. You can buy everything separately, but I thought this set was very pretty, and I thought those pink wax seals were pretty. And then I ordered another set. It's a bigger set. It comes with this jar of all of these wax beads. I thought they were really pretty spring colors. They're packaged really nicely, if I can get that out. And we have all of these colors, the lavender and the peach and the gray, the green and the ivory. They're really, really pretty. I thought, like I said, that they would be great for spring. And this set comes with 2 of the ladles or spoons for melting, and that is great if you have several different colors going at once. It comes with 4 candles for melting, and this packet of envelopes, and we have 4 of each. We have the red, white, blue, this light green, orange, and craft. And these measure 4.5 by 3.25. So they would be good for small cards. That will be fun to make those cards. And it comes with this hemp rope and this package of glittery ribbons. That would be fun to use. I'm not sure. I think those envelopes would be good for a 4-bar card or something that's really close to that. And then I ordered this pack of metallic markers. They're great for marking on the stamp, so you can highlight the areas so you can really tell what it is. And I wanted to try these out on white and black paper, and there are 10 of them in the pack. So I have a piece of white and black paper. So let's go ahead and look at them. We have this green one. I was looking for a name of the color, but it doesn't say. So we have this one, and that's it on white and on black. See, it really shows up good on the black. And here is another green. It's a little bit different. We have pink, or maybe a rose gold. That is so pretty on the black. Look at that pink on the black. So pretty. We have a silver or gray. They really stand out on the black. My favorite color, purple or lavender. Here is another kind of a lighter silver, I think. Yep, this is more of an actual silver. I think the other one is more of a gray. And white probably won't show up on white. Not at all. And it doesn't really show up on the black, although it makes it look like a tone on tone, which is kind of cool. Maybe that's a clear marker. And this beautiful blue and the gold. Running out of paper here. So pretty. And the, I guess, copper. So there are the colors. So pretty. I want to try this white one again and see if it's actually clear or white. Put a couple layers down. It's going to ruin my paper if I put too much. It might actually be more clear than white. I'll have to play around with it on some other textures. So anyway, these are the 10 markers. I love the way they write. They're so nice. And they say they are metallic color pens, and they are water-based ink, odorless. Yeah, and I don't smell anything at all. For opaque writing and decorating, even on dark and colored paper, light fast and indelible. I held one right up to my nose and I don't smell anything, so that's good. As you know, some of the alcohol markers, like Sharpies, they really do smell. But these are water-based, apparently. So you get that selection of colors. They are so pretty. I like them a lot. Well, there you go. That is my Craspire haul. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so you don't miss my other videos. I will put their link below, and I will also put my coupon code, which is $5 off of $40 or more. And my coupon code is Maria5. And they have worldwide free shipping on $50. So that is a really good deal. Thank you so much for watching. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.